So, good morning, and I will be sleeping now. And I just want to say this is my wallpaper for my work account or my self development account. Usually, the one that I show you on the video is the one that I use when I do game or just for entertainment. So, I did separate that, and it's only a bit, but I did open it and then I tried to, or I not tried, I did watch Excel video, and then I watched some self development video, and then I realized that I've been procrastinating or avoiding that stuff for a while. Although I did my video and the journalizing and everything, I did stop focusing with the right mindset. So when I read or listen to the video that I just finished, it got me thinking that having the right environment and the right mindset is really the key to being productive, as well as um, having that drive to um, for success, to be a dreamer and a doer as well. So right now I will sleep, I will stick to my routine, and let's just hope that I did well today for my work, and I was hoping, because I will do my best. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And I don't want to be consumed by work through my whole life, so I will just take the time to work so that I can save enough money and start my own business. I didn't have any business or concrete business ideas yet, but I do have business in mind, and I've been learning Excel. So one of these months, because this is a long journey, you only realize that when you start your first step. So this is a marathon. I do not need to be running, or I don't want to exhaust myself on the first and then eventually fail on that job or on that goal on the finish line. So I'll just take it slow and win and steady. And then after that, I just want to enjoy time. And one thing that I really want for you to know, if you're listening on the end part, is that you just gotta enjoy the journey as much as you want to be in the destination. And I always tell myself that.